County, southeastern Benton County, southwestern Millett County, northwestern Laclede County, northeastern Polk County, Camden County, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Laurie to 6 miles southwest of Max Creek to 7 miles southwest of Urbana, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicator. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ozark County, northeastern Taney County, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Taneyville or 10 miles east of Forsyth, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Theodosia, Thornfield, and Long Run. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Ozark and Taney.